When there's an inspection, it's very important to let the people do their job. Because if you're gonna sit there and be on top of these people and micromanage them, they're gonna make the job even worse. And what you'll see is that a seller who happens to be there during the inspection because they're scared that these people are gonna rob them and blah, 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 because it does happen. But if you hover over these inspectors, you bet they're gonna make your house worse than it really is. Let the people do their job, let them do an inspection, like an appraiser. You don't want to tell these people how to do their job. They're professionals. This is what they get paid to do. Now, if you want to, tell them that you're willing to show them comps to support it, they're always pretty cool about that. But you don't want to say to somebody, it's the code and blah, blah, blah. Let them figure that out. And if there's a discrepancy, you can figure it out later. After the inspection, it always goes into negotiations anyway, even if it is as is.